GoPro was my first action and underwater camera at a moment where there weren't many options. Today, there are many cameras, but GoPro is still one of the best underwater and action cameras. I currently have the Hero 12 model, and today I will share with you my underwater settings. The first thing you have to do is to go to the controls and choose Pro Controls. You can choose whatever aspect ratio is best for you. In terms of resolution, I recommend 4K, and the frame rate I use is 60. With 60, you can reduce the speed of the video to half, and it will be a much more smoother video. In terms of lens, I use wide lens and I have the hyper smooth on. In relation to Pro Tune settings, I will mention two. One of them is sharpness, which I use high, and the color profile I use natural. With these settings, you can get excellent underwater images with your GoPro.